Hello, my name is Jacqueline. I'm going to be talking about animal testing. There have been many sorts of animal testings which animals have been more likely to sadly be part of. I will mention in what departments there has been more testing than ever. So actually, when I wrote this speech, I didn't know this, but animal testing has been here since a long time ago. And what I used to think before typing this, I was thinking probably like in the 1920s, but unfortunately it has been here since 500 BC. I will always stand by on why animal testing is bad. I find this to be bad because of the suffering that it causes to non-humane animals and who cannot consent to their bodies being exploited and tested on by humans. And it sucks because they literally have no right to their own bodies, and each year it is estimated that over 100 million animals are used in laboratory experiments worldwide. These animals are deliberately harmed and are subjected to painful tests so that we scientists can study diseases or new medications. Some of the most common animals used include rabbits, cats, dogs, and monkeys. Animal testing is a brutal form of research. It should no longer be used first. It is cruel and inhumane during experiments. The animals are confined in small cages in laboratories. They frequently live alone and experience great loneliness and distress as a result of this tension. As a result of this stress, they will pace in their cage alone or even rip out their offer. Animals are used in a number of ways by researchers, and they are frequently injected or force-fed. Toxic substances force them to breathe poisonous gas or even exposed to dangerous radiation. Then they surgically remove animal tissues or organs or even burn their skin off, just to check how these machines could work. These could likewise be harmed by researchers. Billions of animals die every year as a result of these studies, which psychologically, expose them to terrifying conditions in order to research anxiety or despair. The next animal models can be deceiving and may not precisely anticipate human reactions, but variables are employed since they share some genetic information with humans. However, the genetic material is not necessarily expressed the same way, which could lead to errors in human prediction. For an example, an article that I read, it describes a study where 150 drugs that were successfully treated like conditions and mice failed in human clinical trials. That is just one example of an experiment that hurts animals for no reason. And many more, just like this one, where the results do not provide scientists with helpful information to help humans. Others may argue that there is no other reliable or alternative method to animal testing, but this is not the case. According to an article from the Human Society of the United States, scientists in private companies, universities, and government agencies are developing new cell and tissue tests or computer models and other methods that could replace our current animal tests. These alternatives are not only human, but they can be faster, more cost-effective, and overall more reliable than our current methods. A simple way to help end animal testing is for people to avoid buying certain products, for example, certain household cleaners, cosmetics, and other hygiene products, as we all test on, they all test on animals. So we recommend that we should buy 100% cruelty-free cosmetics and any other products. It is cruel and inhumane and can result in misleading information that causes animals to die without a reason. And I believe that animals should be stopped because of those reasons.